Hello everyone, now we are going to learn about the function of human heart, how it works. So basically what happens when vena cava, the giant vein, brings impure blood from all over the body, then during that time right auricle relaxes and that blood enters on the right auricle. Then just after that right auricle contracts and blood pushed towards the right ventricle. During that time right ventricle relaxes to receive blood. Okay, then right ventricle contracts and it push blood towards the pulmonary artery for purification. Then blood goes towards the lungs for purification. There is lungs, basically exchange of gases takes place in lungs and alveoli of the lungs, and then pure blood is taken by the pulmonary vein, and pulmonary vein basically supplies that pure blood to left atrium. During that time left atrium to receive blood, it's in the relaxing position. Okay, it is in the relaxing position, then it receives blood. After that it contracts and push blood towards the supplies blood towards the left ventricle. Then during that time left ventricle in the relaxing position to receive blood, then it contracts and blood supplies towards the aorta, that is the giant artery. Then giant artery, aorta supplies blood to other arteries, and that carries blood to each and every cell of the body. In this way heart works. So basically this is the contraction and relaxation of the different chambers of the heart, and due to that contraction and relaxation of heart, a sound is produced. That sound is called heart beat. So heartbeat is basically rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the different chambers of the heart, that is heartbeat. So basically one rhythmic this is a rhythmic cycle during which contraction and relaxation of heart takes place, due to which a sound is produced, that is heartbeat. And doctors can check heartbeat by using an instrument that is called stethoscope, and by putting the stethoscope on our chest, doctor listen the heartbeat sound, and during that time they keep the earpiece on their ears, and जो नीचे का part होता है that is on our chest to listen the heart beat. Okay, along with the heartbeat, after each and every heartbeat there is a sound is produced in our arteries as well. So basically what is that? The stretching and relaxing of arteries with each heartbeat is called pulse. So basically doctor also check our pulse by putting finger here on our arm, and right now also I am listening my pulse, I can feel my pulse. Okay, so this is the stretching and relaxing of arteries with each heartbeat. When heart pumps the blood, during that time along with the heartbeat, basically the walls of arteries also stretches and relaxes, contracts and expands. Okay, so due to that sound is produced, that is pulse. So pulse is related with arteries and heartbeat is related with heart, but both are correlated, both are produced with after each other, along with each other actually. So in this way our heart works and pumps blood to each and every cell of the body. And there is one more instrument that doctors use to check the blood pressure, that is called sphygmomanometer. Basically they put that sphygmomanometer, they tie some part of this on our arm, and then again use stethoscope to listen the sound, and they can check the blood pressure. Okay, so there are two instruments basically doctors use, one for reading the heartbeat, listening the heartbeat, that is stethoscope, another for checking the blood pressure, that is called sphygmomanometer. Okay, now you look at the screen.